Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of speakers and how they work to produce sound. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about the basics. A speaker is an electromechanical device that converts electrical energy into sound energy. It's made up of a magnet, a coil, and a diaphragm. The magnet creates a magnetic field, and when an electrical current flows through the coil, it creates a magnetic field that interacts with the magnetic field of the magnet. This interaction causes the diaphragm to vibrate, and voila! Sound is produced. Now, let's delve a bit deeper. The diaphragm is a thin, lightweight membrane that vibrates back and forth when the magnetic field changes. The vibration of the diaphragm creates sound waves, which are then amplified and directed out of the speaker. The size and shape of the speaker can affect the quality and volume of the sound produced. But that's not all. Speakers can also be used to create sound effects in movies and video games. By manipulating the vibration of the diaphragm, sound engineers can create all sorts of sounds, from explosions to footsteps. So there you have it, folks. A brief overview of how speakers work and produce sound. I hope you found this information interesting and helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more tech-tastic content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the amazing world of technology.